So today I'm going to review the L'Oreal Excellence Fashion Ultralights in the shade Ultra Light Ash Brown. So this is my hair before. As you can see, it's kind of ombre, but it's mostly dark. And here is my hair after using this hair dye. And I still don't know how I feel about it. It's super light at the top because I made a mistake. I'm going to explain it very soon. And yeah, so this is the box, and as you can see, I really love the hair color of the model. So I was thinking it's supposed to be like more ashy than this since it's called ash brown, but it's really not that ashy. For me, it's like a golden brown. So it comes with this pamphlet, and it says the instructions, like from step 1, step 2, step 3, how you're supposed to part your hair. And then I think this is the developer. And then you also get the coloring cream, and of course this is the ultra light ash brown. Okay, 03. And you also get this instructions like pamphlet, and it just has gloves inside. And then it comes with this brush which you can attach in the bottle, and it has holes so that you can use it to dispense the product, but I didn't use that. And this is the conditioner that it came with, so you're supposed to use this after you color your hair. And then this one, on the other hand, you're supposed to apply this before you apply your hair dye, so it's like a protective serum for your hair. Okay guys, so this is how my hair looks like after coloring my hair with the L'Oreal Excellence Fashion Ultralights hair color. So, and the shade is Ultra Light Ash Brown. So the reason why I don't like it is, first of all, I was expecting my hair to be like an ash brown. That's really what I was going for. And I know I did something wrong because in the instructions, I think it says you're supposed to leave your roots first. I think you're supposed to leave a few inches away and then start from there. What I did was I just started from the roots until the ends of my hair. So that is how I colored it, and I think it was a mistake. But so even though I don't like the color of this, the rest of my hair isn't exactly what I was going for, and I don't know, like. And honestly, it just looks exactly the same as like every other hair color that I used before. So the thing that I hate about most hair colors is the brassiness, and right now it looks brassy. And I think I'm gonna fix my hair very soon. I'm not sure if it's gonna be brown, red, or ash. We will see. But so as you can see, the roots are like super brown, and then it's like black here, or like dark brown, and then it goes light here. So actually, before I used this hair color, I colored my hair previously before I used this hair color like a few months ago. So to give you guys a little bit of background, before this I had dark hair. I colored my hair dark. I used the one from Revlon, which is the medium brown, I think, which is like almost black if you apply it. After that, I got bored after a few months, so I wanted to have an ombre hair, so I bleached my hair, and then I colored my hair, and then I bleached it again, and then I colored again. I did a lot of damaging stuff to my hair before I used this one, but then I saw a lot of people use the same hair color, and it looked really nice. I was expecting this to be slightly darker than this, but honestly it looks exactly the same as a lot of hair colors that I've tried. But I think the good thing about this is that if your hair is virgin, like you never colored your hair, it's supposed to lift your hair up to 4 times lighter. So then your hair is going to be 4 times lighter. I'm impressed by that because it actually lightened my hair. It's right, like 4 times lighter. It looks very uneven because I just did it myself, and I'm not super disappointed, but I'm just expecting it to be like a different color. If I actually want to maintain the same color, I'll probably use a darker color here for my roots. But next time, if you're gonna use this hair color, might as well have someone do it for you, or if you're gonna do it yourself, follow the instructions. Start a few inches away first, and then after applying the rest of your hair, go back to the roots and then apply it. Because I think the hair color works faster for the roots, so it has to go last. But I'm really impressed by the fact that it really lifts your hair 4 times lighter. So the L'Oreal Paris Excellence Fashion Ultra Lights hair color in the shade Ultra Light Ash Brown. So don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and I'll see you guys again next time. Bye!